Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with LendingTree affiliate integrations for lead tracking step by step clearly. Start by visiting the LendingTree affiliate program website. Create an account by filling out the required information. Once your account is approved, log in to the affiliate dashboard. Navigate to the integrations section of the dashboard. Select the lead tracking option available in the integrations menu. Carefully read through the integration guidelines provided by LendingTree. Choose your preferred method for integration, such as API or plugin. If using an API, generate your unique API key from the dashboard. Copy the API key to your clipboard. Follow the API documentation to implement the tracking on your website. If using a plugin, download the lending-specific plugin from the integrations page. Install the plugin on your website by uploading it through your content management system. Activate the plugin and enter your affiliate ID where prompted. Configure the settings to ensure lead tracking works effectively. Test the integration by submitting a lead through your website. Monitor the affiliate dashboard for real-time tracking of your leads. Adjust any settings if necessary to improve tracking accuracy. Review the reporting tools available to analyze your lead performance. Stay updated with any changes to the integration process by checking the LendingTree resources periodically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.